Hello, I am Edwin Mendez. I from the group 17, English 2. I am married with Haslady Leal. We have two sons, Daniela and Christian. I'm working Telefonica. I like to play volleyball. Now I tell you about my travel. My experience there. On Christmas, I went to Orlando, Florida, to stay there 1 month. I went with my family, my wife, and my sons. There were a lot of amazing roller coasters that I liked, and I could visit my family there. A lot reason is that I could improve my English. Recommendations. It is necessary that you take snacks there. It is important that you take pictures of everything. It's better that you buy a passport to enjoy the park. It is a good idea that you walk with comfortable shoes. Wear enough sunscreen. Drink abundant water. Have always at hand a cell phone with data plan. Always have a waterproof coat. The weather in Florida. It were cool when we arrived there. Although we expected it to be so cold, a few days later it started to be more breezy. Some days and others more cloudy. It were similar as here in Bogota. At the end of December, the days were the more freezing, and although they wanted to see snow and it were the oldest days, the weather never were snowy. At the middle of January it started to get more and more warm, being the most sunny days. What you should do? You should visit all of Universal parks in Florida because they're so funny and extreme. You know a lot of people and you can visit the beaches. They are very nice and clean. What you should don't do. You shouldn't go out in rainy weather because you'll miss all the attractions of the parks because most are mechanical and many hurricanes are generated which are risky. You shouldn't to go the beach in December because of the weather. I recommended you to wait still after the middle of January. Thank you so much.